Hi, my name is Michelle Harger-West, and today I'm talking about my center that I picked for the math lesson. It's called Funny Money Word Problems, and it helps students work with money in counting and also reading word problems. What we have here today is one student in the center, and there are 10 word problem cards. Each of them is like a story problem that talks about addition, subtraction, and estimation for money. What we have here is a student has a representation just kind of to see what the coins look like: a quarter, dime, nickel, and a penny. And then they also have paper money that they will use in the lesson. Basically what we'll do is the students are divided up into groups of 3 or 4, and they will each go to their assigned area where they're going to sit. Then what the teacher will do is explain the lesson, let them know that they will be numbered off in their group 1 through 4, and they will be given one money card word problem. This problem will be turned upside down in the middle of their table, and when the teacher says ready, set, go, number 1, the first person in the group will turn the card over, read it to the group, and then they will have approximately 2 to 3 minutes to solve the problem. What they will do is work together as a group. They can use the money on the table to answer the problem, but they can also work the problem on paper with the corresponding number. So here we have question number 6, which is listed up in the top left-hand corner. And so what they'll do is work the problem and write the answer in column number 6. So for number 6, the first actual problem here, what we'll do is, I'll read it, but I'm going to go ahead and we'll put it down. It states, Lori has 5 nickels. She gave 2 nickels to her brother. What is the total value of the nickels that Lori has now? So what they'll do is, number 1 will turn that over, read it to the group, and then they'll also leave it face up on the table for them to go ahead and discuss it. Once the 2 minutes is up, the teacher has instructed the students in the center to go ahead and turn their money word problem recording sheet over face down, and that signifies to the teacher, even if the 2 minutes has not expired, that they're ready to move on to the next group. So once they are all ready to move on, this group will get up and move to the next table for the next problem. So if we have 3 sets or 4 sets of group centers going, each table will have a different question on it. So because there's a total of 10 questions, we'll have to go ahead and exchange those questions out. We want to make sure that each student in the group gets an opportunity to read, and then they get a chance to work together and discuss the problems as well as write them down on their paper. This paper for the recording sheet will also be used as an assessment at the end of class. I would collect that, have the student's name at the top, and then I would be looking for certain factors to see if they worked together, if they worked the problem on their paper, if they had the correct answer, if it was legible, and then they would get points for the number correct as well. So this is a great addition to a lesson about money. You know, we all need to learn about money, and kids need to start learning about money from a very young age. In most cases, kids will learn about money before they even arrive at school from their family, learning how to count coins and dollar bills. So that's where we're at, and that's the lesson that I had picked for today. It's the Funny Money Word Problem lesson. And my name is Michelle Harger-West, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.